I am the first engineering graduate from my community. My name is Mamindla Rohit Yadav. I come from a very small remote area in Hyderabad where high-tech skills and high education is completely out of reach for people. My father works in animal husbandry. My mother runs a kirana shop. My journey began in the silent lines of the Hyderabad. I had a strong desire to become an electric vehicle battery engineer. Mumbai feels like a distinct universe to me, but I knew I need to step out of my comfort zone to achieve my goals and ambitions. My journey towards upskilling, I came to know about Tata IIS through a podcast of the Nidhi Goyal ma'am, in which she explained about Tata IIS offering industry level training with world class labs. So I applied for the Tata IIS EV battery specialist course. The moment I stepped into the Tata IIS campus, I was fascinated by the infrastructure of the Tata IIS. I was really fascinated and very excited by the labs of industrial automation, robotics, EV industry, CNC and additive manufacturing. Mumbai might be the city of dreams, but Tata IIS made me the city of possibilities. Before coming to Tata IIS, EV was just a cool topic on YouTube for me, but after coming to Tata IIS, it has become an option where I can build my career. The day starts with morning with the theory sessions, and in the evening we will do the practical hands-on training. During the evenings, we would have tea with our friends. The biggest challenge I faced at Tata IIS is that when I started working on my team project, that is building a battery pack design, my team supported me and helped me at each and every part. At Tata IIS, I didn't just learn theory, but I became a professional. I have mastered the design of battery pack from the cell level to the module level. I have learned about the battery management systems and the battery thermal management systems. I have mastered the different types of electric vehicles that are used in the industry. I have worked on the Lucas Newley International, which is from Germany, which is used by the top OEMs like the Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and the Volkswagen Group. The trainers here are not just teachers. They have decades of industry experience working with the reputed companies like the Tata Motors Limited, Hero MotoCorp, and the PMI Electric Mobility. They train you practically hands-on and support you in learning path, and they guide you in cracking technical interviews, and they support you in every part of your learning journey. And here at the institute, it doesn't only transform your technical skills, but it also upgrades your soft skills through the human skills sessions. My message to the future aspirants is that if you have the passion to learn, Tata IIS will give the wings to the flight. Now let's come together and be the part of the Tata IIS journey, and let's build a skilled India together.